Good morning, students. Students, I got your queries. Maximum are of rational number on number line, and I checked today few assignments, and in those also I got mistake. Maximum in numbers on number line, rational numbers on number line. So for quick recapitulation, today just will discuss here in this video about rational number on number line. So students, please pay attention now. All of you must be knowing this is my number line. It can extend to infinity. It can extend to infinity. That means here in center we have 0, and then at equal intervals 1, 2, and dash and so on. And here -1, -2. So students, that means if I want to plot integers on this number line, I can easily plot. For an example, if I want to plot -2. So -2, you know where is -2? You will highlight this point and you will say this is -2. And we know same with same distance from 0, we have number here on our right side positive number, on our left side are negative numbers. So if I want to show now positive 2, similarly with the same distance on the right side we have 2, and we can plot 2 here. And sometimes some students do mistake by plotting positive or negative number on reverse side. So for just an example, you can remember, as our right hand is always powerful than our left hand, in similar way our positive number are more powerful, so they will be at our right side. So it was okay for integers. Everyone know कि we can plot integers on number line very easily. But things or confusion comes when we talk about number line with rational numbers. Now rational numbers. Rational number, you all know, are integers plus p by q form. They all are rational numbers. I am telling this definition according to class 8. Rational numbers means class 8 students can say in rational numbers they have integers, that means negative and positive number including 0 plus p by q form number. So integer, okay, we can plot easily, but now how to plot p by q form? So for p by q form we can have two types of p by q form. One is when my numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. What does it mean? For an example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 2 by 3. In all such cases, my numerator is less than denominator. So first we will talk about the numbers on the number line, rational numbers on number line of the case when my numerator is less than my denominator. For this, बच्चे, just take care कि how to plot on your number line. Now this is my number line. This is my number line. In the center, on the center I have 0 and then number 1 and then number 2. 1 and, okay, I can write upside 1 and 2. Similarly, on the corresponding negative side I have -1, I have -2, and we know here is my minus infinity and here is my positive infinity. Okay. So now, if I want to plot 1 by 2, so always remember whatever is my denominator, whatever is my denominator, my division of the portion will be according to this. So first of all you have to decide half will come in between which two number. Always first thing find out कि our number will come in between which numbers. Okay, किन दो इंटीजर्स के बीच में हाफ आएगा. We know कि our half will come in between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Because my denominator is 2, so I will divide this portion into two parts. Okay, and from 0 I will start writing counting like 1 by 2, and this is 2 by 2. Obviously it will get cut, so this is 1. So this number is, this place is 1 by 2. For second example, if I want to plot 3 by 4, if I want to plot 3 by 4, similarly, I have number line, here is my 0, here is my 1, and here so on, minus 1. Abhi right now I want these numbers, so I am just plotting these only. Okay, so now just बच्चे see 3 by 4. 3 by 4 again it is a number less than 1 है ना. If you will divide 3 by 4 you will get less than 1, and this is positive, so that means these numbers lie in between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So 0 and 1, so it means my number will be somewhere here. But how to plot it? How to plot it? So just see, as I told earlier, my denominator is 4. My denominator is 4. So that means the place in between 0 and 1. In the place in between 0 and 1, I will divide the whole place into 4 equal parts. जितना मेरा डिनोमिनेटर है उतना, तो just divide it 1, 2, actually if I take 3, 1 is suppose here, 1 is here. ठीक है, so this is, now I am highlighting these points so that you will understand more. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, this is 4. Just see this point. Okay, that means my space is divided into 4 equal parts. So in similar manner, you start your number from 0, denominator is 4, so we will start from 1 only. 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, and this is 4 upon 4. 4 upon 4 obviously 1, that's why this is 1. So 3 upon 4. Yani my required number is here only. Okay. One more example, then things will be more clear. Just see now, third number was 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Now I want to plot 2 by 3. Again this number is less than 1. So if I'll draw my number line, here is 0, here is 1, here is minus 1. ठीक है. अब now as denominator is 3, just divide this portion into 3 equal parts. These are 3 equal parts bete. Actually when you will do with scale, so it will become equal. Abhi to I am just doing randomly. Similarly the same pattern, how we will start? Denominator is 3, denominator is 3, so 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. So my number is this one. Hopefully it is clear. Again, in comment box, please put your queries if you don't understand now also. Thank you.